This might be my favourite way to use plums. Sweet, sharp, spicy, and ridiculously good with meat. And the best part, it's actually very simple. Start with 120 grams of sugar for every kilo of plums. Let all of that melt into a dark caramel. Then carefully add 100 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. It will complain loudly, that's normal. Cook it for a moment until the caramel melts back into the vinegar. Now add your washed and pitted plums. For the heat, use whatever chili you like. I'm using ghost pepper because apparently I enjoy bad decisions. Add 3 cloves of garlic, a pinch of ground star anise, a pinch of ground cardamom, and a little cinnamon. That's it. Let everything simmer gently for about 30 minutes. By now the plums should be completely soft. Blend the sauce until smooth. I'm using an immersion blender. If you want it even smoother, use a regular blender and then push it through a fine sieve. Once blended, bring it back to a boil and cook for another 10 minutes, stirring constantly. And now comes the important part. Taste it. This is where you make it yours. More salt, more sugar, a little more vinegar, more chili if your life has been too peaceful lately, or another pinch of spice. When you're happy with it, fill clean jars while the sauce is still hot and close them immediately. Put the jars into a pot of cold water. Bring it to a boil and sterilize for 15 minutes. Then take them out and let them cool completely. And that's it. Homemade plum chili sauce, sweet, spicy, slightly smoky from the caramel, and absolutely perfect with pork, grilled meat, cheese, or whatever needs rescuing. I'm definitely making this one again.